Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best electric screwdriver for tech lovers and DIY enthusiasts, and I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Strabito. Let's get started. Product feature. This tool features 5 adjustable torque settings ranging from 0.15 to 0.35 Newton meters, providing a precise and gentle touch for delicate electronics. For more demanding tasks, you can switch to the manual torque option of 7 Newton meters, giving you better control when applying pressure by hand. Powered by a 350 mAh lithium battery, it can drive over 500 screws on a single charge, so you can complete projects without interruption. The Type-C charging port restores full power in just 1 hour, minimizing downtime between tasks. With a motor speed of 200 RPM, it ensures efficient fastening while reducing strain on your hands and wrists. Its lightweight, pen-shaped ergonomic design feels balanced and comfortable, even during extended repair sessions. A forward and reverse switch lets you quickly alternate between tightening and removing screws with a simple thumb movement. 4 built-in LED lights brighten dark work areas, helping you clearly see small internal components. You receive 64 precision bits, including Phillips, Torx, Flathead, Tri-Wing, Hex, Pentalobe, and Triangle types for broad compatibility. The bits are made from high-hardness S2 steel, delivering durability and long-term performance. Your purchase is covered by a lifetime warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, supported by responsive customer service. Pros. What truly stands out is how this tool transforms a tedious chore into a smooth, enjoyable experience. The variety of bits ensures you are never caught off guard by a strange screw type, and the ergonomic design feels like a natural extension of your own hand. It is incredibly empowering to have this much precision and power in such a compact, beautifully designed package that just works. Cons. While it is perfect for small electronics, the torque is specifically calibrated for precision work. This means it might not have the raw strength required for heavy-duty household construction projects or large furniture. However, for its intended purpose of delicate tech work, it performs beautifully and reliably every single time. Final thoughts. Using the Strabito feels like upgrading your entire workspace. It brings a sense of calm and confidence to every repair, knowing you have the right tool for the job. Whether you are a professional technician or a weekend hobbyist, the value and care put into this kit are evident. It is more than just a tool, it is a reliable partner for all your creative and technical journeys that will last a lifetime. Your electronics deserve the very best care. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video to see more helpful guides and gear. Thanks for watching and happy building!